Hello guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how I made profit in millions, nor in thousands. So in this video I'm gonna tell you A to Z about the 15-minute strategy that's gonna be a game changer for you. So guys, let's start the video. But before starting the video, make sure you subscribe this channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your unprofitable trader friends. So let's start this. So as you can see, here we have USD barrel. Okay, so here you have to go and select the 15-minute time frame. As you can see, this is a 15-minute time frame. Here you can see there is a little bit bullish trend, and now it's a bearish trend. Okay, it's a downtrend. The past price action was bullish and the current price action is bearish. Okay, so can we place trade right over there? No, that's not a good point where we can place our trade. Okay, so right now you can see here, I draw. As you can see, this is a downtrend. Okay, this is a downtrend, and if the trend is downtrend, make sure you always support the sellers. Okay, here you can see this is a downtrend. This is a downtrend. So what we have to do, we have to wait the market. It's come right over there. After the few price action confirmation, we can go with the sellers. Without the confirmation, we cannot support the sellers, right? We cannot support the sellers. So guys, I'm going to select another pair. Okay, so guys, I'm just waiting the price to close this candle. After the close, we will place the trade with the buyers. Okay, because this is an uptrend, right? This is an uptrend. Higher high, higher low, and after the manipulation, distribution. Okay, so price came down and now it's creating a new high, but we cannot support right over there the buyers, right? We cannot support the buyers right now because this is a running candle. This can become a inverted hammer as well. Okay, so we have to place the trade after the strong confirmation, right? So let's switch to the another pair. Here you can see this. Okay, so here you can see I'm going to select 5-minute and 10-minute. So make sure the time frame is 15-minute. Okay, the time frame is 15-minute. Here you can see this is a 15-minute. This candle is 15-minute candle. The current candle is now the 15-minute candle. 5-minute is already finished. If this candle came a little bit lower, I'm going to place the trade towards the upper direction, right? As you can see, we have selected the 10-minute time frame. Okay, so I want a little bit retracement, and if I find that, I'm gonna place the trade towards the upper direction so that okay, it's coming up, little bit down. We need a little bit down, and I don't think so this is gonna be came for the deep retracement, right? So this was a very great place where you can support the buyers, but this is not a right place because there you can see the buyers came and engulfed the previous candle. Okay, so let's shift to the another time frame. Let's see. Here you can see but this is again not a strong confirmation. We need a very strong confirmation to support the sellers, right? This is not a strong confirmation. As you can see, the candle was kind of strong. After that, this candle was also a very strong. After these two candles, this candle came a very weak candle. So I cannot support the sellers on this candle because this can become a green candle as well. You have to think like a professional trader, right? As you can see, this was a very great opportunity, but we didn't find it earlier. Okay, so here you can see the candle is bullish and it's just about to create a new high. Keep in your mind when the market just create a new high. Okay, this is the high, low, and this will be a new high. After this new high, we cannot directly support to the buyers. Okay, there is one and only one solution for this. If the candle came down after the high, after the high, if the candle came down, we can place trades here. Okay, the candle will go up and it will create something like this hammer candle. Okay, so this is how you have to place the trades. So right now we go and see other pairs. Okay, so guys, this is a sell side trade. Okay, and I'm going to support the sellers. Okay, I'm going to shift in 5 minutes. This is lagging a little bit. Let's go again. Okay, this is a 5 minute. Okay, so I'm going to support them. Okay, and I'm going to place trade right over there. Okay, so keep in your mind, I placed the trade exactly. Okay, so here is a 15-minute time frame. Okay, according to the 15-minute time frame, we placed a very fine trade. Okay, okay, this is not a, I thought that this is a $50 trade. 1 2 3. Okay, I'm placing multiple trades right over there. So guys, I'm damn sure this is gonna be a winning trade. Okay, how? I'm gonna tell you. Look at the price action. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, after this lower low, we are right on the sell engulf where the sellers show their power, right? So I'm 100% sure that this will be my winning trade. Okay, this will be my winning trade. Now let's see the magic. Okay, you just have to be patient. Okay, so guys, if you want to join us, our VIP community where we show our screens, and you can join our group, VIP group, where I show you how I'm placing the trade, the reasons, and everything. We also provide the news trades as well, right? And if you want to get the mentorship, you can also contact us. So there is a link in our description of our WhatsApp group. There you can contact to me, and I would love to help you guys. So here you can see we are just about to win this trade. I'm damn sure this is going to be a more winning trade, and I tell you everything about this trade. This is a 15-minute strategy that's worked almost most of the time, right? So here you can see the crazy results. So guys, you can also follow us on our Instagram, and if you want any kind of information, you can contact to me right over there, right? So here you can see it's working perfectly. I'm telling you right now that this is gonna be my winning trade. How? Because I tell you everything in this, in the detail, how you can do this, right? This is so easy that even a small kid can do this, right? So here you can see almost 4 minutes is left, and we are just about to win this trade. Nobody can think about this that we will go for the sell side. After this bullish move, everyone will think like now there will be a green candle come, right? No, this is how we catch the trades, right? This is how we catch the trade. The smart traders, right? So guys, if you like the video, make sure you subscribe this channel, comment, and make sure you share this video with your friends, right? There is almost 3 minutes left. So guys, as I told you, we win this trade. And if you find this video informative, make sure you like, comment and subscribe and share this video with your unprofitable traders. So see you in the next video.